what sort of things can you do to honour Mother's Day and celebrate Mother's Day? I'm going to sing you a song to give you some ideas. I'm going to be good today, you won't believe your eyes. I'm going to be good today, shall I tell you why? It's Mother's Day, Mother's Day, Mother's Day today. I will make a special card, you won't believe your eyes. I will make a special card, shall I tell you why? It's Mother's Day, Mother's Day, Mother's Day today. I will give a bunch of flowers, you won't believe your eyes. I will give a bunch of flowers, shall I tell you why? It's Mother's Day, Mother's Day, Mother's Day today. I will tidy up my toys, you won't believe your eyes. I will tidy up my toys, shall I tell you why? It's Mother's Day, Mother's Day, Mother's Day today. I will give my mum a hug, you won't believe your eyes. I will give my mum a hug, shall I tell you why? It's Mother's Day, Mother's Day, Mother's Day today. It's Mother's Day, Mother's Day, Mother's Day today. Did you look at the photos in my song? That was my friend and her daughter, and they were showing you the things that you could do to say thank you to your mother. So the important thing is, can you be good on Mother's Day? Maybe you could make them a special card to give them. You might find some flowers like I've got here to give them some flowers. You could even make some flowers. Another really good idea, tidy up all your toys and give them a big hug to say, I love you, Mum. So make sure that you remember to say thank you for taking care of me this Mother's Day, to whoever looks after you. Bye. See you next time.